Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. This is one of our copper tea tins, which is part of the tea room suite. And actually, you get 4 in a pack, which is pretty awesome. Now, it's summertime. We're perhaps not doing as much crafting as we would like, but I'm a massive fan of quick crafting. And these make great little hostess tins, gift tins obviously because they're that. You could make them storage tins for your office or your craft room. But you know, if you're going off on a summer barbecue, you could fill that with some lovely, lovely little treats to give to the hostess or host. But I just think they're gorgeous, and they are quick crafting because it's a strip of DSP, some of our stickers there, and there, and then some of our little decorations from the Memories and More. So, got to give a shout out to Pat James from my team. I went to our Facebook group and I went, oh, I don't want to mess it up because it's tins and it's gorgeous paper. Has anybody already worked out the sizing? And she said 3 by 12 inches, so 7.5 by 30.5 centimetres, and you get just enough at the bottom and it fits snugly at the top, because you don't want to get it too tall and then be ramming the top down on it, and you don't want it to be off at the bottom because then it would curl. So it's just right. So thank you, Pat. Okay, so I want that side up. Love Coastal Cabana. This one I went with the Rich Razzleberry, and it's really nice. So all you need is some tear and tape on one end. So Pat James is, I've meant to say, she is on Facebook as A Quiet Place, which is lovely, and I think she blogs under that name too. So yeah, tear and tape on either end, and just peel off one of them. There is a seam, so start off there, because we're going to put this round at the back. There's the seam. So, and gently line it up to the top. Make sure your lid is on properly and line it up to the top, and it will flow all the way around, because you're using that as sort of like a stop for it. It won't go any further, and perfectly line up. So you take off your last bit of tape. Oh, it's unravelled slightly there. Let's try that again. Trying to do it upside down. Perfectly wrapped, and like I say, the paper isn't going to get caught, and you've got a nice little trim there. Right, let's decorate this. So I've got the vinyl stickers, and you need 2 of those to go all the way round, and it matches. I don't know that I don't even think I can see where the seam is, but I'm going to guess that those are the same length. Yeah, they'll go round as well. Where's the other one? And then this time round you do have to line it up. Well, you do have to match it up. You can't just sort of randomly stick it down. So just keep going with it. Carry on where you left off before. And it matches up. No seams. Okay. Right, I've got the Memories and More pack, which I love. You know I love it. I'm going to put this one as the background there. Just check that's the front. Yes. Totally run out of the butterflies, but I'm going to show you how to de-stick them, because there's no sticky left under there. And this is going to sound really grubby, but it's not. What I've got is my Stampin scrub, which has got a little bit of residue ink left on it. So I'm just tapping the wings. Just the wings, not the centre. And it takes all the sticky off. There's no sticky left. Oh, clever. Oh, there's my glue dots, mini glue dots. Because obviously you don't want to have sticky wings sticking to everything, and I do want them to still remain sticking upright. Have a little one there. And should we add some red ones? So I'm just going to do that off screen where you can't see. There we go. You can see the ink there. The ones on the top, I do want them to be flat. Let's have bees as well. Love it. Oh, got to have a blue one. I don't know what other stickers and bits I've got in here. I don't know that there's any more in there. I think there's definitely loads in the Big Plans one. What else can we stick on here? Ooh, more butterflies. Have a copper one. Of course. If you were going to put tea in it, because obviously it's a tea tin, you could put the spoons on it or the teacups, but that, I think, is a super quick gift. Fill it with treats. Job done, 6 minutes, and I hadn't even decided half of it, and I've chatted. Quick, insta gift. Love it. And like I say, you get 4, which I think is really quite good value. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.